Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to record your screen using the Scree.io extension for Chrome. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the main menu. This menu gives you access to various Chrome settings and features. Next, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. This will reveal a submenu with additional extension-related options. From that submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, which is Google's official marketplace for browser extensions and add-ons. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Click on the search bar and type in Scree.io. After typing it in, press Enter or click the search icon. The extension should appear in your search results, so go ahead and click on it to open its dedicated page. This page will show you more details about what the extension offers and how it works. Now, on the extensions page, you'll see a button that says Add to Chrome. Click on this button to begin the installation process. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. Chrome will now download and install Scree.io automatically, which usually takes just a few seconds. After the installation is complete, look at the top right area of your browser. You'll notice a puzzle piece icon which represents your extensions. Click on this icon to see a list of all your installed extensions. From that list, find and click on Screen Recorder to launch the Scree.io extension. A new window or panel will open up. The first time you use it, you'll be prompted to accept cookies and the privacy policy. Click OK to continue. This step is necessary to comply with data privacy regulations and to ensure the extension functions properly. Now you'll see options for what you want to capture during your recording. You can choose from Only Screen, Screen and Camera, or Only Camera. For this example, let's click on Only Screen. This option captures everything happening on your screen without including your webcam feed. Next, you'll be asked to choose how you want to record your audio. The available options are None, Microphone, System, and Mic and System. For this demonstration, let's select None, which means no audio will be recorded. This is useful if you just want a silent screen recording. Once you've configured your settings, click the Start Recording button. A window will pop up asking you to choose which screen or tab you want to record. Select the screen you want to capture and click Share. At this point, your recording will begin immediately. While recording, you'll see controls that let you pause or stop the recording. Click Pause if you need to temporarily stop the recording, or click Stop when you're completely finished. After stopping, a preview of your recorded video will appear on your screen. From here, you can click Save to download the video to your computer, or click New to start recording another video. And that's it, you've successfully recorded your screen using Scree.io. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.